Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. During this pandemic situation, please stay at home and learn a new skill. I, Amar Singh, assistant professor in IT department, helped to create a new skill. In a series of lecture of blockchain, today's we learn how to implement the truffle in a different format. So first of all, what is the meaning of truffle and how truffle is very important? So truffle is a framework which provide to tool for developing Ethereum smart contract with Solidity programming language, in which it provide a scripting language of front end to the blockchain. So its Solidity language is categorized into the different category. Number one, smart contract management. Second one, testing, we can automating testing we can be used. Third one, deployment and migration can be used. The fourth one is network management can be used, and last one is client runner or client side development. So basically we use in future we use the client side development, because we, in order to implement the e-voting or as well as e-marketing using blockchain, truffle can be implemented, truffle should be implemented, or we can be show how truffle can be implemented. So we provided into a YouTube comment section, so that you can not type anything, just copy and paste that into a command prompt and run for that. First you use the command prompt in order to take a truffle. There is a node package in which you can be used, called the node.js, because node.js provide the front end for that. And in order to check if your node.js is present or not, this is the type for. In order to install the node.js, type the command prompt node -v. So let's see, my computer is already installed the node.js. If your computer is not installed the node.js, then go for this URL. Okay, then type this one, node -v. So it check the version of your node. So first we type the command prompt. In a command prompt, then we type the node, copy that node and paste that node. So this, let's see, this is the version in which we can be, so that is the version number 14.17. so at that time we use that version. Its version can be changes according to the updation at your time. Okay, so after installing the node.js, how truffle can be framework can be installed or can be used. We can use this framework or install in a command line. This is the truffle, npm install truffle we can be used. So copy that this and install and paste that, and let's see. It's take a little bit time of that, because installation of a truffle is a little bit higher, and truffle contain a lot of RAM requirement, and truffle is a heavy software for that. So it's take around 1 minute or 2 minutes according to your system configuration. So let's wait for a few seconds and check our truffle is installing or not. Okay, and mkdir for a blockchain of that, because it create the folder of the blockchain. Let's see, this is the which we create the blockchain. So let's go for the check whether our folder is created or not. So go for a C drive, go for a C drive. In a C drive, go for a user and del, and let's see our let's see, this is the folder in which we can be created, or we can be see our truffle. So that one is the blockchain toolkit, in which it contains the empty folder. Okay, so let's check the other command, so that we can be migrate that truffle or install that truffle in a different format. Okay, so cd that truffle command and truffle for initializing for that. Okay, so let's check, copy that command, cd for that. So students, after wait for a few minutes, we install our npm installer. Don't worry about the error message it show your how the system can be performed in a different format. So let's go for the another command in which we can be develop. So let's check, start developing a smart contract in which we can be used. So let's copy that command in which we can be use the my smart dot sol command. So touch, and it contain the my contract dot sol in a certain format. Okay, so paste that command and let's check our smart contract can be generated. Let's see, this one is the empty file, as we all of know that, but let's check our smart contract can be generated or not. In a smart contract there is a file in which we can be generated my contract and migration file. So in order to paste that code in future, we can be use my contract smart contract. So first we paste that code and compile that code. So control C, and that one is the empty file, and paste that and control save. Okay, so this is the code in which we can be my contract can be connected for that, or a smart contract for that. So let's check our code is compiled or not. If it contain an error, then it show into a compiling part. Okay, it take a little bit time because it take a compiling for that error. Compiling is connected for that, and compiling for the migration, and compiling for the software for that, and that let's see, this is the compiling for successfully compiling, in which we didn't get any error for that. So let's check our compiling is done or not into a code or not. Okay, smart contract, that code is generated. If our compiling is successfully, then a build folder is generated. A build folder is nothing but a bytecode is generated for that compile. Let's check our bytecode is nothing or not. Let's see, this is the bytecode in which there is an hash code generated, in which we can't be read easily, or intruder can be read easily. Okay, so let's go for the another command and see how much can be go. So let's create a package Truffle. For that, touch package.json file for that in a command and paste that in a web. So it's create a package. Package name is that one is called the JSON package. So package is JSON is nothing but in order to create the database in a JSON format. So let's see our JSON file is which one name is package is implemented or no. Look, see that package that contain the JSON file is already created for that. So open that JSON file and paste that command into a JSON file, so that we can be initializing our code. So let's check. Copy that JSON file and carefully copy, in which I provided into a command box that code. Paste that code and save that code into a certain format. Okay, no issue regarding that. So after pasting that code, what is the meaning of the Truffle? Save into it, then we install the npm installer. Then this one is the important task. So let's go for a npm installer and let's see our system is correct or not. It create a time for that, hardly take a 1 minute, but if you are new in a system or if you are new in a blockchain, it take a little bit time. So don't worry about that how much time it take. So I already implement multiple numbers of the Truffle program, so it doesn't take much time for me. But in order to implement first time in your system, it take I think 2 or 3 or 4 minutes. So student, if you have any query regarding this video, please comment on comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.